dance is called Strummingbird. 32 count, 4 waltz. It's an absolute beginner line dance, and there's no tag and no restart. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, step your right to the side, bend both knees and touch left in place. Bend and touch. Repeat on the left. Step, bend and touch. And bind to your right. Side, behind, side, touch. Section 1 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Step left to left with hip bump. Bump, left, bump, right. Bump left, bump right with a left flip. And bind to the left. Side, behind, side, touch. Section 2 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Heel strut. Starting with your right. Heel strut. Heel strut. Right and left. Do it 4 times. So with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, step your right heel forward 2 times. Heel, heel, tap your toe back twice. Toe, toe, and do a V diagonal right and diagonal left, right, left. Make a 1/8 to your right by stepping your right back, and another 1/8 to the right by stepping your left next to right with a clap. And now your weight is on the left. So last section with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you start your dance again facing 3 o'clock with your right. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1,